way too small.
It's pretty good, actually. It's really good. That better?
Is it carbonated?
Yeah.
We're so dumb.
Is that good?
Shotgunning a fucking amp.
Cheers.
Ready? 3. Is it carbonated?
No. Actually, carbonated water is
Oh.
the first spot.
It's the main ingredient.
1, 2, 1.
Go. Oh my God, Brandon. Brandon just cleared that like it was nothing.
Oh god, that was fucking miserable. Oh. Oh.
And here it comes.
Oh, I'm good. Oh damn.
I have a little bit left.
I'm nothing at
I couldn't
all.
finish it.
Oh, I'm about to cry. Alright.